What's up, everyone? Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So if you watch my previous videos, you'll notice that I put a quad lock phone mount with a anti-vibration dampener on my Lowrider S, and I actually mounted that in the spot that I typically would put my GoPro, and just for video and purposes. So what I've got here today is the Motor Wolf motorcycle camera bracket. This is the one it is. So it's an Amazon special. You can read, it looks like that number is X002VNOQEL. So anyway, I'm going to be mounting this today and sticking a GoPro up there on it just to see what it looks like. So I want to do a quick little unboxing. I have already unboxed it just to look at it, make sure everything was there. So this is the bracket that you get right here. This is where your camera mounts. This is where it mounts to the bar. In the bag, this is what you get. Sorry I had to put that off camera, but look right here. You get a little piece of Velcro in the bag. You get two bottom mounts that will mount into this section right here. You get some stainless washers, nuts, and some little screw caps to go on. These are a rubber screw cap. So and a little wrench to tighten everything up with. So anyway, that's what you get. So if y'all would stick around for just a moment, we will get it set up over here at the bike and start getting the install done and kind of a setup and see how I like it where it's at. If you're new to the channel, again, please think about subscribing, like the videos. It does help the channel, especially if it's content that you repeatedly come back to look at. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you again for the support. It is very much appreciated. And let's get started. All right, so just to make things a little bit easier, I went ahead and just took this off. So just loosen that a little wing nut screw. You'll be able to put this on here on the bar. So I'm gonna mount this in here like this. I'm going to put a flat washer on it. These are a little nylock nut. Have that there. And I'm going to grab either a small socket, even though this will work. Now, let's go ahead and just use it. This is what they supplied us, so you guys at the house, this may be your tool you need to use. So it will take a little bit longer to do it this way. And this isn't a really good fit either, so I do want to say that. So if you have a ratchet or ratcheting wrench and a socket that'll fit it, would probably be easier. Let me go ahead and grab one just so you guys will know at the house. I'm going to guess at what size it is. All right, let's see, 3/8. Again, you want to sorry about that. Again, you're going to want to tighten this evenly. Right now I'm just trying to make sure I'm getting it fairly even and snug. Alright, so now let me grab the other pieces and we'll put it on. Alright, so as you see, this is a pretty easy concept. This will just pop on here like that, and then this part will pop in there, and then you can kind of adjust it to however you want it to be. I want to make sure that it sets up in a way that the GoPro is level when the bike's going down the road. So I'm going to stand the bike up and look at a couple things real quick. Alright, so I think I'm going to have to end up moving it down here some. Be able to get the GoPro to be level, and then that way I can turn it and adjust it the way that I'd like. So I'm gonna go ahead and snug it up right here. Again, this doesn't have to be super tight. You look, it doesn't have to be. I'm try to get it right here a little bit, but it has to just be tight enough that this thing isn't going to be slipping and all. I told y'all this thing is not very tolerant right here. As far as the tolerance of it, it's just a wrench. But anyway, I'm going to look at it. I'm going to move the GoPro there and see what I think. Alright everyone, so this will be the view. Now I'm not sure if this camera is going to block my front facing camera for videoing, but we'll have to try that out and see what that looks like. I know y'all don't want to just see this camera the whole time, but it may end up blocking it, so I may end up having to do something a little bit different with this setup. But you know, I may have to end up, let me loosen this up and kind of drop this down. It may end up being this type of view. Don't know what that looks like yet, but that is a little bit not even, but we'll have to play around with it some and see what we can make this look like. This may be a better view right here. Yeah, something like that right there may be a better view, and then as I'm going down the road, you still might see the camera, but it's not going to affect the view right there. So something like that may work really well for us too, and then also may be able to this up. I may be able to swing it around and give you another point of view going forward, but we'll figure all that out as we play with it. But I do want to actually, I think I like that right there a little bit better. We'll keep playing with it some though. I'll get it to where All right, so I think this is going to be the view I'm going to use right here for now, and then we will go from there. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning viewer, again, I do appreciate you guys coming back and watching the videos. Hopefully this stuff will help you. I will end up doing a little review on this, just to so everybody really knows what I think of it and if I think it's worth getting. But so far it's all aluminum. It seems like it's a pretty good well-built piece, and I'll try to look it up, but I don't think I paid but I don't know, 20 bucks for it or something like that. So hopefully you know, it's a for 20 bucks, you know, you might get what you pay for, but sometimes you get a pretty good deal for not a lot of money. So anyway, if y'all would, again, please like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.